So this is the wrinkle plank tool with one side is fairly shallow. I guess it's kind of steep, but this is, when you look at this side, you see the other side is the shallow one. And you know, you can get in any kind of tightness, and it just starts beveling right away, and that's pretty important to me as far as what I need to do in a sculpture and how much time it's going to take. And I get an idea of how those shadows are going to land. And it's just, if it starts less tool marky, you know, the better. And now I'll go in with my loop tool and continue those to blend them in and make them more organic. But I can sketch out quite a number of details with this before I ever really have to bevel the snot out of it, because this does such a good job of kicking that clay out of the way. See that buildup I've got on there? That's the tool working. And sometimes you can put that little bit like right back in over the top in order to add drama to that you just put on there. I have a lot of little lines to do here on the lips. And these guys I probably won't even bevel, I'll just brush them out. But now I can go in with the loop tool after I've done some of this and just get this exactly where I want it. Well, that is a good start. Wrinkle tool.